Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix low call volume problem on your iPhone. Sometimes whenever you're trying to make a call from your iPhone, then you might go through this issue where you cannot hear the volume of the person that you are speaking with. So in that case, here are some troubleshooting methods you could try to follow. If you're on a call and you're not being able to hear the voice of the person you are talking with, then first, make sure to turn on your volume key, which is located at the left-hand side of the screen. You might have turned off your volume, so that might be the main reason why you are not being able to hear the other person that you are calling. So, if you increase your volume key, you might be able to solve the issue. If it still does not work, the next thing you could try out is to turn off noise cancellation on your iPhone. Simply tap open your settings button and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Scroll down until you see the audio/visual option and tap it on. Make sure that your phone noise cancellation is toggled off. And now, this might help you solve the issue. If it still does not work, the next method you could try out is to force restart your iPhone. Simply hold the power button of your iPhone and slide to power off. Reboot your system and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing to do is to try changing the call audio routine settings. Tap open settings again from the settings menu. Scroll down and tap accessibility. Tap on touch under physical and motor. Scroll down and find the option that says call audio routing. Make sure that you've changed the setting to automatic and go back. Once you make this change, you might be able to solve your issue. You might also want to check if you have updated your iPhone to the latest version. If your iPhone is not updated to the latest iOS, it could cause the problem. So, simply go open up settings and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on Software Update button at the top. Check if there is any software update available. If there is, update and install the software. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through a low call volume problem on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.